Right then, here
All
we
right,
go.
off you go. Do you want the, how are you going to get the lid?
This is a really special moment for me because this is the first swarm I've caught in these boxes, and I put it on the property with my buddy from England, from Liverpool. He's a friend of mine who is an ex Vancouver Police Department guy who is very ill. So it's a real honor to be able to catch bees in this box on his property for the first time. Brings a tear to my eye. Actually brings a lot more than tears. Beautiful. Okay, we're back at the Shire. And here's my COVID-19 buddy.
You have more trust in those bees than I do.
That's why I keep getting stung. Anyway, so nice. All right.
18 bees, here we go. Got another swarm trap. Gonna put it in a log.
Right. The best part is it was Grolton's.
I know, I couldn't believe it.
Isn't that awesome?
In the swamp there. Yep, there they are.
That smell. Smell that. They're coming around. Look at that. They just went right around that frame.
You pick that big frame up and just stick the top of it in and just brush them off.
That's the honey one. So this is the.
Yeah. Yeah, if you could fit that in there, that'd be great.
Wouldn't it be great? Wow, it's so warm in there.
Oh yeah, they're all on that. That'll work.
Let's see if the queen's on there.
All right.
I don't think that's going to go in there, is it?
I don't think it is. Take the other one out first.
Hmm?
I have to take.
Yeah, that kind of. Well, at least you've got that there, so to build.
Just smack it. Got to get them off.
Yeah, I know.
Can you want me to do it?
No. Okay.
Oh yeah, quick.
Oh.
You got bit?
No. Have you heard that?
And there you go. Here, take this a second.
Hmm?
Take that a second.
Whoa! I got a wee bite in my belly.
You got bit?
Yeah.
Did you?
Just a wee one.
That's why I wear the hood.
You wear the hood in your belly?
I'm gonna keep one of those frames. Set
Yeah.
that bait box up. I have the other box to set up too. Dump it. Keep going.
I'm doing it. I'm just hoping that I don't. That come in from, yeah, look at that. That looks lovely on the black, doesn't it? The bees on the burnt log.
Oh, yeah. You see the picture I sent you, right?
Oh
Put
man.
them all around the hole.
Yeah. So this is the hive or the swarm that we caught yesterday, and it was, chucking it down with rain. But today, beautiful weather, and we're around about it's about 60 degrees right now. So far so good. They love this hive. I'm going to take a peek inside just to see what's going on, and after that it's going to be completely locked down. It won't be checked, it won't be fed, it won't be treated. So let's take a look. Okay, that's looking really good in here. They're starting to, I guess, work on here. And they'll draw down, but we'll have no idea because we're going to cap it now. And very appropriate to say that it's going into lockdown. But the bees, I don't think they mind. So I'm going to close it up, and we won't see this now for at least a year. But we will be filming from outside. All right, bees in logs, 18 bees.